Today's May, I don't know, but I don't care. So, got a big tornadic storm moving our way. Sorry. And the sirens are going off. But it's not coming from over there. It's coming from over here. So, yeah. Might not be the best idea just to stand out here, but I wish we could drive to one of them. Could we?
Yeah.
That's the one at the fire station.
So when it's going off, you're supposed to be taking a shelter.
I know. That's why we're outside. Big front coming in. Really bad storm. Doesn't even look that bad over there though. Nice skies. Everything's nice and doesn't even look like bad over here either. I'm gonna go out front and see what it looks like. Okay, maybe it's actually coming from that way. Tornado sirens turned off. Yeah, the clouds are definitely moving this way. So, definitely coming from over there. Oh yeah, I can see it really good over there. We'll get back with you later once the storm moves in closer.